So the first step I did was I printed my project on vinyl and weeded it, but you have to weed it the opposite that you normally do. You can see what I did here and in this video. And then we just go ahead and get transfer tape and we're going to put it onto the rolling pin. Okay, so you're going to want to start by prepping your surface by sanding the wood to at least with a 220 grit, which mine's already done, and then you'll have to wipe it off. Next, you'll need to shake the Scorch marker and prime it by pressing it on like a paper towel or a paper plate. And the Scorch marker is really, really cool. It's a type of chemical wood burning marker, and you're able to draw and color the surface of the wood, and then you just apply a heat gun and it burns into your wood the design that you created. It's really, really cool. So I bought that on Amazon, and I think I paid $18 for it. And for the heat gun that I'm going to use, I think I paid like $24 for it. I got the Chandler Tool dual temperature heat gun. So, but anyway, what you do first is you just trace over the stencil area and you fill it in. I did go over it twice and I shouldn't have done that. It was my first time doing it, and I realized after the fact that you really just a little goes a long way. And by doing that, it kind of a little bit bled under the stencil, just because I kind of saturated it a little bit. So you can see that at the end. But really, it goes a long way. So if I had just done the first step, it would have been perfect. But I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you do, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. You'll want to let the Scorch marker dry. It just takes like a few minutes, and once it's dry, you'll want to peel off the vinyl. And you can see I used the weeding tool to kind of pick off the areas that didn't come off. And that's it. Then you get started with the heat gun.